I've heard that a new EU regulation extending the rights of European consumers has come into force. How are we better protected?
Indeed, it is true to say that we as European consumers within the single market are better protected as of June of this year, because the European Union has introduced a set of new laws called the Consumer Rights Directive. And in that, there are a series of rights for consumers. There are also obligations on traders whenever they are selling online, and there are also a series of protections for consumers against business malpractices. And one of the most valuable things about European law is the fact that it's applicable across all 28 member states. So everyone gets clarity and everyone gets security of the same rights across all of these countries, whether you're a Finnish person buying from an Italian website, from maybe a German seller. And that's a process that we call legal harmonisation, a harmonisation of rights and protections. So what is specifically within the Consumer Rights Directive? Well, the first big right for consumers is a 14-day cooling off period, which means that whenever you buy a good online or conclude a contract for a service, you have 14 days now in any member state, once you receive the good, in which to return it. No questions asked. If you don't like it or it's defective, no questions asked, 14 days right of return. There are also some obligations on traders. They must deliver goods bought online within 30 days of you ordering it, unless you've agreed otherwise. If, again, you return the good, it's defective or you don't like it, you must get a refund within 14 days. Finally, there are a series of protections online, which is some of the headaches for consumers, like pre-ticked boxes. Say, for example, you're buying a flight and there's a pre-ticked box agreeing to a hotel or a car rental. Those kinds of pre-ticked boxes are now banned across Europe, and it means you have to opt in instead. Also, we're seeing a ban on credit card surcharges online, which means you can say goodbye to paying €10 or €12 for using a Visa or a MasterCard online. And finally, another big addition is the expensive phone lines that we're used to, which prevent you calling into a business because it might cost you €3 a minute. Those are gone as well too, and the businesses must offer much more fair pricing for getting in touch with their customers.
To ask a question on utalk, go to our website.